Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
I am also fine. Okay, students. Tell me, what day is today?
Monday.
What day is today?
Monday.
Yes, today is Tuesday. Clap for Azm-e-nau. Today is Tuesday. How many days in a week?
7 days.
Tell me the name of the days.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday or?
Holiday.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday are?
Holiday.
Very good. Now look outside and tell me how's weather today?
Sunny day.
How's weather today?
Sunny day.
Sunny day. Okay. Now look at here. Which number is this? Which number is this? Which number is this? Which number is this? 9. Number 9. So today our topic is number 9. What is our topic today? Number 9. Now count previous number with me. Tell me which number is this? 1. 1. Which number is this? Which number is this? 9. Okay, look at here. Now I will tell you how to write number 9. Make a C. Up to go. Then come down. Then to slow. Make a C. Up to go. Then come down. Make a slow.
Make us slow.
Look at here. What is this?
Ball.
Balls. What is this?
Balls.
What is this?
Balls.
How many balls are there?
9.
How many balls are there?
9.
Now count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many balls are there?
9.
How many balls are there?
9.
Once again count with me. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many balls are there?
9.
How many balls are there?
9.
Okay, look at here. What is this?
Drum.
Drum. What is this?
Drum.
Tree. What is this?
Tree.
Tree. What is this?
Tree.
What is this?
Tree.
Trees. There are
9.
trees. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many trees are there?
9.
How many trees are there? How
9.
many trees are there?
9.
9. Now, Mustafa, come here. Hurry up. Count these trees. Count these trees. Good. 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 Very good. Clap for Mustafa. 9 sticks. Count. Thanks. Count. Say loudly. Good. Good. 9. Okay, how many rings are there?
9.
How many rings are there?
9.
How many rings are there?
9.
Count with me once again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
How many rings are there? 9. Okay, Atika. Count 9 shapes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. I said count 9 shapes. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9.
10.
Okay. Jessica, now you count 9 shapes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
How many shapes are there?
8.
8. Very good.